Hi there, welcome, and thanks for watching this video. Recently, I saw a screaming deal on Apple AirPods. They're something I've been wanting for a long time, and yeah, they're a little expensive. Well, I saw this deal and I was really tempted to just send a PayPal payment and then anxiously wait for the AirPods to arrive. But I didn't. Instead, I followed my own advice that I give people when they ask me about deals. Sometimes a good deal is something a person thinks they got before they find out they didn't. So before I forked over the money, I used a couple of tools I use in order to kind of cool off a little bit and keep from making an impulsive purchase. Tool number one is ripoffreport.com. I input the website of the deal I spotted, and lo and behold, Ripoff Report gave me the news that this was a fraudulent website. The other tool I used was tineye.com. I copied the image's location info and input that into the search bar on TinEye, and after scanning 43.6 billion images, it couldn't find the images I searched. Why is that? Well, usually it's indicative of a very newly created website, which should raise a red flag. If it's new, it hasn't been around since 2019 or earlier, like it claims. My video is just my experience and what I do to try and protect myself against fraud. So as we move closer to the holidays and we're trying to stretch our gift budgets, maybe spending a lot more time doing shopping online versus the complications of shopping locally in the current situations, we might be tempted to lower our guard a little bit. Maybe just become a little more susceptible to something that looks like a good deal when in fact it's not. Sometimes a good deal is just that, a good deal. And sometimes a good deal is what we think we got before we find out we didn't. I'm real interested in how you do your online shopping and the steps you take to protect yourself. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you think it'd help somebody, please share it with them. Subscribe and ring the bell if you'd like to get more content like this. You'll be notified when it's uploaded. And like I said, I'm especially interested in how you protect yourself shopping online. So, comment as you see fit.